Hello everyone, Perumal Jagan here, and we've been working on Sliver C2. Sliver C2 is an open source command and control framework, and we've been trying to explore its features, and we actually struggled. We actually struggled a lot. We've been going through an issue. We could not get a session from our victim Windows VM to our Sliver C2 framework, and I'm just planning to fix that issue because the culprit was Windows Defender. Though I disabled with few partial commandlets, I could not completely bypass it because it was still detecting and ignoring, quarantining the sample that I uploaded, the Sliver implant. Now it's time to try a tool from a GitHub repo, from one of my friends, and I'm gonna show you how you can bypass the Defender by using that tool. Okay, the tool name is Topaz Killer. So without further ado, let's get started. Um, yes, I hope you can see the screen. I'm on a Windows Defender, and now let me show you uh, the tool that I'm talking about. Topaz Killer, right? I think that's the name. Topaz Killer. Let's see. Yes, Topaz Terminator. All right. So this is the utility from uh, my friend Tanikudam, and you can see this is the uh, file name, and you can see this is all about exploiting this WSF ftprm.sys driver. It's a vulnerable driver. I can get it from vul I can get it from the lol drivers.io, and when I download this driver on my uh, Windows machine, I guess I'll be able to leverage that by using this tool. So to bypass the Defender, and he has also shown how he did this, but I need some time to learn this uh, intricate things. But before that, let's go and download this driver. I'm downloading the driver from LOL drivers. LOL driver is similar to LOL bins and GTFO bins that holds the living of the land binaries for both Windows and Linux. So this one is for drivers. So this is the website, and you can see a bunch of drivers available here which can be used for various purposes. And you can see all these drivers are vulnerable, and it's driver hash, you can see. Okay, now what we need is we need the driver wsft.ftprm.sys. So let's go and search for this driver, and there it is. Norwave Cybersecurity contributed this driver based on in-house research. This driver has CVSS3 score of 6.1, indicating the antivirus killer impact. This vulnerability could potentially be exploited for privilege escalation or other malicious activities. Awesome. So I'm going to download this. Maybe I just copy this, go to my Windows VM, download straightly from the Windows. Yes, it's a second. I'm just using this browser for the first time, so it's asking a lot of pop-ups. Okay, now I'm in this file. So, okay, I got this. Now I want to rename this, right? Rename this as wsftprm.sys. F2, come on, F2. Yes, changing its extension as well. And now it's time to execute this command, but I need to make sure I'm keeping a path. So do I have a temp path on Windows? If not, I'm creating one. Continue, UAC prompt, temp. So there is a temp folder already. Now let me craft this notepad. So SC create WSFTPRM binary path. So this is the driver path. So I need to add the driver there, right? Did I already add it? No. I'm just cutting and pasting it into Windows temp. Yes. Putting it here. Now it is here. And I'm just executing it, starting it as a service. Okay. So I'm just making this machine vulnerable. Let me start this with administrator privilege. Okay. Fingers crossed. What happens? I think two separate commands, right? Okay. Creation of service succeeds. sc.exe start WSFT PRM. Okay, it's running now. Cool, it's running now. Now we have started this, we have installed this vulnerable driver as a service. Now I made this machine vulnerable and I'm going to this repo. Maybe I can use Visual Studio to compile it. So I need to start another VM now. I already have a Visual Studio here. Okay. Need to compile this. Or MinGW works, right? You talking about MinGW? I haven't installed it on this VM. Let me download this otherwise. MinGW. Yeah. I think MinGW to be downloaded from source code. Extracting it. It's taking its time. I keep this aside. It's been a while since I used it, but gosh, where it is? Where is the binary? Is it inside the tools? Source. MinGW installation guide. Do I have bin folder? Minimalistic GNU. Okay, there is an exe file. Yes, I'm going to choose this one. I'm trying to install MinGW, compiling C file, C and C++ files. So it's going to take some time. Okay, in OS path, once installed, I'm going to go and gosh, let me expand this. I don't think you can see this. Even I cannot see this properly. After installation, apply changes. So it will start downloading. It will take 5 to 6 minutes. So it's happening. I'm going to stop this recording for a while, then I'm going to resume it. Or maybe I will check the next steps. In C drive, search for MinGW folder. Inside the binary folder, I could see the executables. So I'm going to add. Okay. I need to add this path in the environment variables so that I can call these tools from anywhere. Okay. So that's how I should be installing it. No, I don't know whether I have the tool on my Linux machine. Let me try this anyway. I think I have. Oh gosh. Yes, I do have this. GCC. Yeah, I do have this. And let me get this file straight. Anyway, I'm going to install the GCC on that Windows machine. I'm going to need that. Sorry. Creating. Come on. Why I cannot create a window? Topaz terminator and x86 64 command w64 min gw gcc. Yes, gcc. Okay. Topaz killer -o topaz. Okay. W64, I guess it denotes Windows. Really? Topaz killer.exe. Gosh, I could have done this from my pad. But here also it installed now. Okay, I'm gonna check out this, finish this installation process. C drive min gw bin. Okay, I go here to properties. Where is the environment variable? Advanced system settings, environment variable, system wide variable. I'm adding this in system wide variable. Where is the path? Yes, here it is. So adding a new path. So this is going to be the path. Okay. And within this pingw, I could see GCC, these things, right? So do I need to restart this? I guess. GCC, yes. Great. Finally, I got this on this VM as well. And I've done this on this one as well. Okay, let's see. I think I can directly compile it here. Topaz killer, right? Where is that? Topaz terminator. Terminator. Okay, GCC Topaz killer -o Topaz killer. Topaz killer. All right, now I got the binary. I guess now all I need to do is to run this binary to terminate the defender. Okay, maybe I can go and copy this path and put it somewhere safe. So I put it in documents folder. So here, from here, I'm going to execute this. I don't know about the internals of this Topaz killer because I need to read that. I'm still a beginner in this driver research, but if I run this, hopefully it's going to terminate my defender permanently. Let's see. And I no longer need this VM. So let me close this. Okay. I execute this, fingers crossed. Process found with MSMPNG with process ID 1420. Process found the process ID try to kill MS. Okay. It is actually killing every Windows Defender process one by one. Hope you can see this now. How long do I need to wait, Sanjay bro? I don't know. It's still happening. Do I need to uh, keep this window open to keep the Windows Defender in a disabled state? Oh, okay. Let me check. Oh, sorry. Windows Defender. Thread service stopped. Yes, I guess now it looks promising. It stopped it. Great. Now what I can do, probably I can go and start doing the same thing. I'm already serving this here. Okay. Gonna go and get into this desktop. Call it. Yes. Okay. Now it curled. Now I'm gonna run this. I hope it's gonna work. It's gonna give me the session on my Sliver Sliver window. So let's confirm that. Come on. No sessions for now. I'm gonna start this. Fingers crossed. I guess no Defender alert now. There is session. Come on. Use PF9. Cool. Great. Thank you so much, bro. It worked. It worked really well. I think this is why I should be learning this driver research. I'm still a beginner. I don't know that, but I'm learning this. But you did a phenomenal job, bro. It worked really well. I could bypass Defender with this vulnerable driver. Thank you so much, and your payload was awesome. I got this. I got this. Host name. Oh gosh. LS. And look at this. Shows my files on the desktop. Yes, great. I think now we managed to bypass Defender with Topaz Killer. Great stuff. Okay, I guess this is the time to end this particular recording. We actually managed to use a vulnerable driver and a phenomenal exploit, Topaz Terminator, to disable the Windows Defender. So I really loved it, and we managed to get the session back. I hope it was an interesting stuff. In fact, it was a little. I mean, I learned a lot from this. So it's all about bypassing the Defender. It's a huge topic. There are plenty of ways to bypass a Defender. Hopefully, we will be able to learn learn them one by one in our upcoming videos. I guess you liked it. If you really did, consider doing this YouTube algorithms. Like, comment, subscribe. I'm gonna catch you next time in another exciting one. Until then, I'm signing off. Cheers and good luck.